getting Sshfs working on WSL or finding an alternative. My university's CS department has its own server used for development. From here on out, dev.univ.edu. I have SSH and SFTP access to this server, and I was hoping to do some heavy work on my Windows laptop using WSL. My plan was to use Sshfs to mount the server's file system on my laptop via SFTP, so that I could use my own tools instead of having to use the limited programs on our server. However, whenever I try using Sshfs, the following happens. Running modprobe fuse gives me the following result. After some digging, it seems that Fuse is not supported on WSL, even after the user voice page for Fuse support has been up for over 2 years with over 1,500 people asking for it. Since Sshfs relies on Fuse, I assume for creating the file system that the remote files sit in, this renders Sshfs unusable. I have found a project, buildsysgh/winst, that seems promising, but I have no idea how to implement it in combination with Sshfs. Is there someone more knowledgeable than I am that can help me get this working? Edit. According to this issue, winst will not work with WSL. However, I noticed a project by the same guy, buildsysgh/nfswin, that might be useful.
So I have a workaround that you might like. I installed SFTP NetDrive 2017 and then remotely connected to the file system I wanted. I mapped it, via the GUI, as a column \. From WSL, you can then map a column to a local folder as explained here. So in WSL, I have a folder in my home directory called cluster. To mount it to be my local home from my cluster, I run. And to unmount it, I run. For convenience, I made an alias called MC, sourced it from my .bash. I hope this helps.
Since I asked this question, Microsoft has released WSL 2 in its Insider's Preview ring. Since this provides a full Linux kernel to WSL, no more workarounds are necessary to get Sshfs to work. Update: WSL 2 is now publicly available as of Windows version 2004.
Have fun.